Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to write a program to count the number of digits in the given number. So which means you can see the input here. So you have input like 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And how many digits are there? Total 5. Okay, so we are going to write a program to solve this program. So let's open our editor and now take the input from the user. So which is num in this case, and it will be integer. So I will be wrapping that inside int function. Okay, so let's close this one. Now let's define a variable called count. So initially it will be 0 because we don't know how many digits are there in the given number. Okay, so now let's write a while loop. What I will do is I will run this while loop till the number is greater than 0. Okay, so let's do that. And num is equal to, what I will do is num divided by 10. I will explain that what exactly will happen here. Now I will increment count by 1, and finally let's print the total digits in the number. So let's close it and print the count. That's it, and run the program. Now let's give the input like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the output? Great, we correctly got the 5 as output. Let's try another example. So run the program. Now it is asking for the input. I will take 7, 8, 9, 6, 5, something like this. See, we got total digits in the number is 8. Great. Okay, let me explain the program, how it is exactly working. So if you look at the while loop over here, so we are running this while loop till number is greater than 0. So which means, so in the loop inside in the line number 5, we are reducing the number by 10. Okay, so that means let's say you have number 1, 2, 3, and when you divide by 10, what will happen? The output of this one will be 1, 2. That means we are reducing 1, and since we are reducing last digit from the given number, we are incrementing the count. So this loop will run until the number is greater than or equal to 0. That's it, guys. I mean, it's a pretty interesting problem. Please try to do it on your own. And if you have any questions, please mention in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video with another problem. Till then, take care.